zielone to co to jest?
Hello.
Przyjdziemy się zobaczyć. Sobie ludzie pływają na supach, tutaj
Hey guys, where are we?
Here. We're at a lake.
In
Hold on.
Poland. We're gonna go on the lake.
Yes, I'm on Poland.
Are you excited?
Yes, we don't have any swimsuits, so this is my swimsuit for today.
Perfect. Nice fit.
Yes, so
All right, let's do it. Look at the camera.
with me. It's a big crab because I'm myself.
Bardzo dobrze. Patrz na wujka. Super. Jakey, what's your happiness? You like it, Jakey?
Beach.
It's a beach.
Bouncy castle! So that was sad today because we couldn't get, there's this place that we always go to and there's a bunch of bouncy castles, but look, there's a bouncy castle right there.
I think you willed it into existence. I think you manifested this. You manifested it happening.
God said this.
Unicorn.
This is not, this is God. Not happening today. I hope the water, that slide has water on it. Because then I will be getting used to the water pretty quick.
No powiedzmy. I did. True. Nice shot, Ola.
Okay, we're gonna take that up. I'm taking y'all up. Ready? Come on. Now the camera. I better not slip on this, or else me, and the camera is gonna die. Second go, and I'm already tired. Three, 2, 1, go. That was fun. Okay, here. Okay, breathe right. Wait for me.
Wait for Ola. Hey guys, so how was it today?
It was fun.
It was fun? What was your favorite part?
Swimming.
Swimming and jumping into the water?
Kayak.
Kayak? Really?
Kayak was fun too.
So what do we say?
Thank you guys for watching our video. Like and subscribe our channel. Wait till next time.